Welcome back to TechMirror, the channel where we reflect on the best tech upgrades for your business and home. If you have ever run a bustling cafe, a lively bar, or hosted a massive summer block party, you know the absolute panic that sets in when you hear the words, "We are out of ice." Relying on bags of store-bought ice or a tiny underperforming fridge maker is a recipe for disaster when the drink orders are piling up. Today, we are taking a deep dive into a heavyweight solution: the VEVOR 440-pound commercial ice maker. This freestanding beast promises to churn out a staggering amount of ice while keeping your maintenance efforts to an absolute minimum. We are going to look at its incredible production capacity, its smart digital features, and whether it truly earns its spot in your commercial space or high-end home setup. Let us get right into it and see if this VEVOR machine can keep your drinks frosty and your stress levels low. When we talk about high-capacity ice production, this VEVOR unit is not playing around. Imagine never having to tell a customer or a thirsty guest that they have to wait for cold drinks. Under optimal conditions, specifically around 70 degrees Fahrenheit ambient temperature, this machine is capable of producing up to 440 pounds of ice in a single 24-hour period. It achieves this massive output using 160 built-in trays that churn out perfectly consistent cubes batch after batch. Depending on the ice thickness you select, a fresh batch is ready in just 12 to 15 minutes. This means from the moment you open your doors in the early morning to the final call at closing time, the ice simply does not stop flowing. And because producing ice is only half the battle, the machine features a generous storage bin capable of holding up to 88 pounds at a time. This massive reserve ensures that even during unexpected rushes, you have a deep backup supply ready to go, allowing you to focus entirely on providing excellent service instead of anxiously monitoring the bottom of the ice bin. Producing massive amounts of ice is completely useless if it melts before you can even use it, which is exactly why the insulation on this VEVOR model is a total game changer. The cabinet is constructed with a high-quality shell and features cyclopentane foam insulation that is 20 millimeters thick. This heavy-duty thermal barrier effectively blocks out external heat, meaning that even if the machine enters a resting phase, your stored ice will remain solid and frosty for an impressive 6 to 8 hours. This is an absolute lifesaver in warm climates, stuffy commercial kitchens, or outdoor patio service areas where ambient heat normally destroys stored ice. Furthermore, despite its industrial-grade output, this ice maker operates incredibly quietly. The powerful, highly efficient compressor runs smoothly without generating the loud, distracting mechanical humming usually associated with commercial refrigeration. Whether it is situated near a quiet dining area, tucked behind a cozy lounge bar, or installed in your luxury home kitchen, it does its job silently, preserving the ambiance of your space while maintaining peak performance. Operating commercial equipment can sometimes feel like piloting a complicated spaceship, but VEVOR has kept the user experience refreshingly intuitive with a smart control panel. The front features a vibrant LED digital display paired with tactile, mechanical buttons that give you complete command over the entire process. You can easily adjust the thickness of your ice by simply increasing or decreasing the ice-making time, allowing you to serve dense, slow-melting cubes for premium spirits or thinner, softer ice for blended smoothies. The panel also features real-time indicator lights that glow to alert you when the storage bin is full, when the water supply is running low, or when the machine needs its routine maintenance. Speaking of maintenance, the automatic self-cleaning function is perhaps the most convenient feature of all. By simply pressing and holding the clean button for 3 seconds, the machine initiates a thorough cleaning cycle. This completely eliminates the tedious, time-consuming manual scrubbing typically required to prevent buildup, ensuring a perfectly hygienic environment for your ice and freeing up your staff to focus on more important daily tasks. The physical footprint and design of a commercial appliance dictate how easily it integrates into your workflow. And this VEVOR ice maker excels with its adaptable freestanding cabinet design. It is engineered to handle heavy, continuous loads, yet it is streamlined enough to tuck neatly into the corner of a coffee shop, slide effortlessly behind a crowded bar, or anchor a high-use residential entertainment area. Because it operates independently and holds such a massive 88-pound reserve, it becomes an invisible support system for your daily operations. You are no longer tethered to constant tray refills or emergency trips to the grocery store for bagged ice. It works at your exact pace and matches your specific room layout, seamlessly blending into the background while providing an unrelenting supply of crystal clear cubes. This level of reliable integration makes it an invaluable partner for professional service teams and serious home entertainers alike, ensuring that your beverage service remains fluid and uninterrupted no matter how chaotic the environment becomes. As we wrap up this review, my final thoughts on the VEVOR 440-pound commercial ice maker are overwhelmingly positive for anyone who requires serious, uninterrupted ice output. If you are constantly battling ice shortages, this machine is a stress-free, high-yield investment that quickly pays for itself in convenience and daily reliability. It perfectly combines raw production power with thoughtful, user-friendly features like the intuitive LED display, thick cyclopentane insulation, and that absolute lifesaver of a 3-second self-cleaning cycle. It equips your space with a professional-grade solution that operates quietly and efficiently, letting you keep your focus exactly where it belongs, on your guests, your drinks, and your overall service experience. If you are ready to upgrade your setup and eliminate ice anxiety for good, this VEVOR unit is a phenomenal choice. Thank you for tuning in to TechMirror. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth tech and appliance reviews, and let us know in the comments where you plan to install your new ice maker. Stay cool, and we will see you in the next video.